Good morning, baby. Yes, of course I let you sleep in. Look out the window. Yeah, it's been raining like that since last night. I know today's your day off. What about me? I managed to convince my boss to let me switch shifts. I told her I had a personal commitment. Yes, I did make some breakfast. You made such cute little noises when I left. I mean, I didn't leave you for too long, though. It's still warm. And so am I, apparently. I know. They're pancakes. And yes, I put a little jar of maple syrup there. But if you get it on the bed, we're gonna have words. You just wanna stay here for a bit, huh? Well, let me tell you, I am fine with that. But yeah, it's been raining pretty hard. But I like watching the rain. And watching the trees blow around. It's not like it's a big storm or anything, it's just rain. Trust me, you would have woken up a lot earlier had there been thunder. I know you. You can sleep through me cooking an entire meal, but thunder will get you right out of bed. This is so nice, having you curled up with me. Your head on my shoulder. My fingers intertwined with yours. Plus, your PJs are really cozy. This is so nice. We don't get this as much as we used to. When we were younger, we could spend every morning in bed together. I really wanted to recreate that for you. You've been working so hard these past couple of weeks. I let you sleep an extra few hours because you needed it. And I'm pampering you because you need it. No. Hey. Don't worry about anything right now. Right now. Let's just relax. And there's that smile. I love your smile. You light up a whole room with it. I'm so glad you're with me, baby. And I'm so glad I get to treat you the way you deserve to be treated. With breakfast in bed and cuddles until the end of the world. I do not want to move from this bed. And with any luck, we won't have to. I would say let's just spend the day in bed, but I think one of us might get a little stir crazy. If you want to snooze again on me, that's fine. Not to be an absolute creep, but I do like watching you sleep. All the tension in your shoulders just goes away. Your eyebrows, they look a lot less worried. And sometimes, when you're cuddled up against me, my arm around you, your head on my chest, you have the best little smile. Like nothing could ever go wrong in the world. I love you so much, darling. For now, let's just stay here. Listen to the rain on the roof. And be here in each other's arms.